Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we eat 5 poison in every day. How it become poison? Please subscribe our channel, like and comments. Let's start. Maida. Due to the absence of fiber in maida, it is easily digest and absorb it. Hence, maida have high glycemic index. So it causes spike blood sugar level, cancer, acne, obesity, risk of heart diseases. Sugar. Sugar contains lot of calories with no essential nutrients. So it causes diabetic, cancer, heart disease. Next one, salt. Salt makes your body hold on to water. If you eat too much salt, the extra water stored in your body increased blood pressure. Pasteurized milk. The process of pasteurization keeps the milk good for a longer period, but it removes enzymes vitamin A, B12, C from the milk. Pasteurization destroys beneficial in raw cow milks. Refined rice or polished rice. Refined rice leads to the removal of the outer layer and germs from it. Layer contains starch in a huge quantity. The rice is left with endosperm only, which can increase blood sugar or glucose level to the great intent. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, give like and comments.